So I mentioned the drones and the laser scanner.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has helped immensely. In particular, even my career of over 10 years. When I first started, um, typically we only use the traditional total station,
Mm.
um, and we can only measure what we can see, right? So, as you know, in any planning application,
Yeah.
you do need your neighbor's information as well. And and so the limitation was, other than getting consent from the neighbors to go inside their property to actually measure
Measure.
their building, and we
Mm.
typically don't do that because developers like yourself, you don't want to create conflict early on.
Early on,
Okay,
exactly. Yeah.
and so what happened was, we were limited by what we can actually see from the outside of the neighbor's property.
Mm.
Okay, but now with the laser scanner or drone, it is very rare for us not to be able to use at least one of the three instruments to be able to get information that we need, sufficient for planning purposes or design considerations.